Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to install the LED steering wheel onto Honda. Here is the box, let us open it and have a look. The package is safe and sound, it is okay for overseas delivery. This steering wheel is for Honda Fit, Jazz, City, and Civic. It is with LED performance. The leather is Italian alcantara, as you can see, and it is in red stitching. It is simple but impressive. Accessories parts are in the box, OBD module and connecting cables. The whole set looks easy to install. Here are the tools we may use. It is simple tools for workshop or tuning shop. Here is how to take off the airbag. Please go and work with professional workshop. First, you need to take off the battery connection, and then take off the both side screws mounting for airbag. Take off the airbag slightly, and disconnect the cable from the cars to airbag. This cable is connecting to the horn cable, we will use it later, PLS mark it down. Disconnect the cable to airbag. Now, we are going to take off the steering wheel. Take off the screw first. Take off the connection of switches, shake it a little bit, easier to take it off. Then, take off the plastic case, keep the clock spring as it is, don't turn it, it is important. Take off all the accessories and put them to the LED steering wheel. It is copy and paste. The whole process takes a few minutes, and please remember all the process and all accessor. You will need to put back all these parts to the LED steering wheel. Take off the carbon fiber pad. You will find the cables are different with your car. Because we made the cruise control upgrades for this car before, this car was without this function. The cruise control is another story. If you need it as well, please leave me a comment. Let us get back to the installation of LED steering wheel. Keep replacing the parts. It is easy process, let us work faster. the replacement is finished, and you will move to the next step. Here we are going to the next step of installing OBD module. Need to pay attention to this process. For Japanese cars, many of them are without 12 volts positive power supply on steering wheel switches. So need to use this white cable, we call it horn booster cable. It is connected to horn cable for more power. Take this horn booster cable and connect it onto the horn cables on clock spring. Take the socket from the clock spring, and find out the cable for the horn. Connect the horn cable with the horn booster cable and put it back to the clock spring socket. By the way, for the European and US cars, most of them doesn't need this cable connection. There will be enough power supply from the steering wheel switches can cable. If you want to know how to make connection for European and US cars, please subscribe us, videos will be made later. Put the socket back to the clock spring. Put the plastic cover back to car. Put the LED steering wheel to the car. The installation is to the final step. When you install the steering wheel, please make sure it is in the middle setting. Here we are going to connect the wiring on LED steering wheel. It is connected with the socket on clock spring. Please find the ground cable and connect it with ground cable on steering wheel. The ground cable is connected well now onto the steering wheel. Find the horn cable on the clock spring socket and connect it with the red cable of LED steering wheel. Put some tape on the connection. Make sure it is good connection. Put the screw back to the steering wheel, and it is almost done now. This cable from the LED steering wheel, connected to the airbag, the horn cable position. When all the cables connected, put the airbag back to the steering wheel. Put the screws back to fixed airbag. It is done. The LED steering wheel has been installed already. Lights are on, and the data on steering wheel are accurate. The steering wheel has been installed successfully. Let us have a quick look how it works. If you want to know how it works in details, you can subscribe us and check it in my channel. Thanks for watching our video, and if you like our video, please give us a like and thumb up. We are going to make more videos about steering wheel tuning. You can subscribe us to view more.